Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve the third exercise, exercise 19C of mean and median of ungrouped data from book Concise Selena class 9 ICSE. Each and every question is going to be solved over here. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So the first question here, the mean of 8, 12, 16, 22 and 10 and 4. You have to find the mean of these numbers. Find the resulting mean if each of the observations above will be, certain conditions are given, multiplied by 3, divided by 2. We have already solved these type of questions in exercise 19A. We again find the mean over here. Finding the mean. So mean is sum of all observations divided by n. So the sum of all observations, that is 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 22 plus 10 plus 4. When we do, we get 72. 72 divided by 6. 12 is our mean. Now, these all questions are based on properties of mean. So, if it is multiplied by 3, the resulting mean will be also multiplied. The original mean multiplied by 3, so resulting mean you get 12 times 3, that is 36. If it is divided by 2, each observation is divided by 2. The resulting mean will also, the original mean divided by 2, resulting mean is going to be 6 over here. And if each observation, the third case, now in the third case, if each observation is multiplied by 3 and then divided by 2. So multiplied by 3, 12 times 3, you get 36. And 36 divided by 2, you get 18. So resulting mean is going to be 18. Then if it is increased by 25%, so if which is 12 plus 25% is 1/4. 25 by 100, which becomes 1/4 of 12. So 4 ones and 4 threes are. So 12 plus 3, the 15 is the resulting mean for when it is increased by 25%. Now when it is decreased by 40%, it is 12 minus 40% of 12. So which is 12 minus 40 by 100 into 12. When you simplify this, you get, when you do 0.4 multiplied by 12. So 4 upon 10 is 0.4. So 0.4 multiplied by 12, you get this as 4.8. So 12 minus 4.8 when we do, we get the resulting mean as 7.2. Got it? Okay, easy that. Moving to question number 3. The mean of 18, 24, 15, 2x plus 1 and 12 is 21. So there are 5 observations. Find the value of x. So we know that the mean is sum of all observations divided by n. The sum of all observations divided by n, which is 5. 5 observations are there. When we add all of these 18, 24, 15, 12 and 1, we get this as, so this 5 first we will shift here. 21 into 5, we get 105. When we add all of these, we are getting 70. 2x plus 70 is 105. This 70 moves here, you'll have to subtract. So 2x is equal to 105 minus 70, which is 35. Then x is equal to 35 divided by 2, that is 75. Got it? The next question, the mean of 6 numbers is 42. If one number is excluded, the mean of the remaining numbers is 45. Find the excluded number. So if the mean of 6 numbers is 42, then the sum of these numbers is 42 multiplied by 6, which is 252. If one number is excluded, the mean of 5 numbers is 45. So the sum of 5 numbers is 45 times 5, which is 225. And the excluded number will be total of these 6 numbers minus total of these 5 numbers, which is 252 minus 225, that is 27. Same type of questions. This is the miscellaneous exercise, which has all the types of questions. So the mean of 10 numbers is 24. So if the mean of 10 numbers is 24, the sum of the numbers is going to be 10 times 24, which is 240. When one more number is included, the new mean becomes 25. Okay, so find the included number. So if one more is included, the numbers become 10 plus 1, which is 11. And the mean becomes 25. So the sum of 11 numbers is now 25 into 11, which is 275. So the number which is included is the sum of these 11 numbers minus sum of the 10 numbers, which is 275 minus 240, which is 35. Got it? To find the included numbers, we find the difference of the sum of 11 numbers and sum of 10 numbers. Question number 5. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. The median of the data is 78. Find the value of x. Now, when the data is arranged in the ascending order, then exactly the middle observation is the median. So if n is odd, the median is going to be n plus 1 upon 2th term. That is 9 plus 1 upon 10. That is 5th term. 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, which is 5th term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th term. So x plus 13 is going to be the median. So, but the median is given as 78. So we get x plus 13 is equal to 78. We get an equation, right? Solving this equation, this 13 moves here. You'll have to subtract 78 minus 13. 65 is the value of x. Question number 6. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. The median of these observations is 58. Find the value of x. Now they are being arranged in the ascending order. So the number of observations are, again, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Correct? So if there are 10, so 10 upon 2, that is fifth and so median is going to be half of 5th plus 6th term, right? So 5th term is here x minus 1 and the 6th term is x plus 3. So x minus 1 plus x plus 3 upon 2. When we move this 2 over here, it becomes 58 into 2, which is 116. X plus x is 2x. Minus 1 plus 3 is positive 2, which goes here becomes minus 2. 116 minus 2, you get 114. And now when you have to isolate this x, you'll have to divide by 2. So dividing both sides by 2 or shifting this 2 over here, 114 by 2, you get the value of x as 57. The mean of the following data, you have to find the mean of this data and you have to show that the sum of the deviations, that means x minus x bar, is equal to 0. And you have to find the median of the given data. So finding the mean, we add all of these observations and divide by 10. The sum of the observations is 297. 297 divided by 10, we get 29.7. Now we have found the mean. The first part we have done. The second part, show that the sum of the deviations. So we create the table here. Xi, these are the observations, and Xi minus X bar. So when you do 30 minus 29.7, you are getting this. Each time you are subtracting mean from the given observation. So this is 32 minus 29.7. This is 24 minus 29.7. So these are called deviations from mean. These are the deviations from mean. So when we find the deviations, create the table like that, find the difference between Xi minus X bar, positive plus. So 0.3 plus 2.3 is 2.6. 2.6 plus 4.3 is going to be 6.9. 6.9 plus 0.3 and plus 5.3 and plus 5.3. When I add all of these positives, I'm getting 15.8. Same way, when I'm adding these negatives, minus 5.7, minus 3.7, minus 1.7, and minus 4.7, I'm getting minus 15.8. And 15.8 minus 15.8, I get 0. So remember, the sum of the deviations of all the given observations from the mean is always 0. Now we are asked to find the median of the given data. For finding the median, we need to arrange the data in the ascending order. So let us arrange the data in the ascending order. Now the number of observations are 10. So n upon 2 is 10 by 2, which is 5. So fifth observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The median is going to be the mean of fifth and sixth observation. So it is going to be 30 plus 30 divided by 2, which is 60 divided by 2, which is going to be 30 again. This is how you get the median as 30. Got it? Moving to question number 8, find the mean and median of the data 35, 48, 92, 76, and so on. So you have to find the mean and median. So first we find the mean, add all of the observations. The observations are 9. Sum of the observations is 552. When we divide by 9, we get 61.33 is the median of the data. Now we find the median of the data. We arrange the data in the ascending order. When we arrange the data in the ascending order, the median is now the number of observations are odd. So 9 plus 1, 10 upon 2. So fifth observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation, 63 is the median. Now they say that 51 is replaced by 66. So we now arrange the new set of data in ascending order. So 51, instead of 51, 63 has come. So then no 51. So when we arrange the data in the ascending order, we get this. Now again, the median is going to be fifth term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the new median is going to be 64. Okay, it is going to be Again, the fifth term. Got it? Now, question number 9, the same question is explained in exercise 19A wala video. And there also it is question number 9 only. So please watch that for this. Again, solving no point. We move on to question number 10. Find the mean and median of all positive factors of 72. So the factors of 72 are this. So what you have to do is 1 into 72 is 72. 2 into 36 is 72. 3 into 24 is 72. 4 into 18 is 72. 6 into 12 is 72 and 8 9s are 72. This is how we get all the factors and they are arranged in the ascending order. To find the mean, we add all of them and divide by 12. Sum of this is 195. 195 divided by 12, we get the mean of the all factors of 72 as 16.25. To find the median, now the data is already arranged in the ascending order, right? It is already arranged in the ascending order. So the median is going to be, since the number of observations here are 12, so 12 upon 2 is 6. So it is 6th and 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th and 7th observation. So median is going to be average of 6th and 7th observation. That is 8 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 17 divided by 2, which we get as 8.5. Got it? Question number 11. The mean weight of 60 students in a class is 40 kg. The mean weight of boys is 50 kg while the girls is 30 kg. Find the number of boys and girls in the class. Okay. So let us take the number of boys to be x. Since there are 60 students, the number of girls will be 60 minus x. And then the mean weight of boys is given 50 kg. So the sum of the weight of boys will be mean multiplied by the number of boys, which is 50x. Then the mean weight of the girls is given as 30 kg. So the sum of the weight of the girls is going to be 30 multiplied by number of girls, which is 60 minus x. Now find the, then also they have given that the mean weight of 60, all 60 students is 40 kg. So if the mean of 60 students is 40 kg, the sum of the weights of all 60 students is going to be 60 multiplied by 40, which is 2400 kg. And now we will be forming an equation, framing an equation here. The weight of girls plus weight of boys is equal to weight of all students. So we add this 50x plus 30 in bracket 60 minus x is equal to 2400. 30 into 60 is 1800. 30 into x is minus 30x. 50x minus 30x is 20x. And this 1800 goes here, becomes minus. So you get 24 minus 18, we get 600. So x is equal to 600 divided by 20, which is 30. So now we have got the boys as 30. So the girls is also going to be 60 minus 30, which is 30. So this is how we get the number of boys is also 30 and girls is also 30. This one is replaced by this. Then, okay, so the mean of these numbers, that is x1 plus x2 plus xn, it is sum of all observations divided by n is equal to a. This is given to you. Okay. Now, new mean. So, if I find new mean where x plus alpha is being added to x1 multiplied by x1. So, the new mean is going to be, I hope this color is visible. Let us change the ink. So, the new mean every time the number observation is replaced by this. So, the new observations are x plus alpha times x1 plus x plus alpha times x2, like that, x plus alpha times xn divided by the number of observations is n again. Now here x plus alpha we take common. The mean is given as the, so new mean we have to find out. So x plus alpha we take common. If x plus alpha is taken common from here, x1 is left. From here, x2 is left. And from here, xn, right? And this all divided by n now. So now we already know that this part, the x1 plus x2 plus xn upon n is given as a, right? This all part, this is already given to us as, the mean of this is given as a, right? So therefore, you get new mean as x plus alpha times a. Got it? This is your new mean. Understood? Because x1 plus x2 plus x up to xn upon n is already given as a. Moving to the last question of this exercise, the heights in centimeter of volleyball players from team A and team B were recorded as here. Which team had greater average height? Average meaning we have to find the mean and then we have to find the median of team A and team B. So let's first find mean. So the mean height of team A will be adding all of these observations and dividing by 7, because there are 7 players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the sum of the observations here is 1267. Divided by 7, we get 181 centimeter is the mean of team A. Now we find the mean of team B. We add all of the heights of the students. The sum of the heights of the students, we get 1258. Dividing by 7, we get 179.7 centimeter. Now, which team had a greater height? So, which one is greater here? 181 is greater. So, that is how we say that team A has greater average height. To find the median, we need to arrange the data in the ascending order. So finding the median height of team A, the heights arranged in the ascending order are this. Now, here you can see that number of observations are 7. So 7 plus 1 upon 2, odd. So it is 7 plus 1 upon 2, that is fourth observation, 8 by 2. Fourth observation is going to be median, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your median is going to be 180 centimeter. Then the median height of team B, again we arrange the data in the ascending order. Again, the number of observations are odd. So exactly middle one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 178 centimeter is going to be the median height of the team B. Got it? So this is how, children, we completed with all the exercises of this chapter. So if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.